First, they hear it. Then, they see it. People from all over come to celebrate its legacy. Originally part of a fleet of 25, only one now rides the rails of the western United States. The Union Pacific Bigboy 4014. Carrying 6,100 gallons of fuel and 25,000 gallons of water, the Bigboy 4014, weighing 1.2 million pounds, serviced the freight lines from Cheyenne, Wyoming to Ogden, Utah for 20 years, accumulating over 1 million miles. Its 4884 wheel arrangement made for frightful turns along rails that weren't always so radius friendly. This relic on rails is amongst the largest of steam locomotives ever built in the world. The Bigboy 4014 was rebuilt by Union Pacific as part of their steam line program and is currently on tour to celebrate the 150th anniversary of the Transcontinental Railway. The advancements learned from the Bigboy 4014 helped set the stage for the developing era of America's electric diesel locomotive power. The 4014 has earned the right to survive in this digital age.